In this video, you'll delve into the technology enabling Claude's long context handling and coding tasks, enhancing your skills in integrating AI into software development. Did you know that Claude, an advanced AI model, can process and understand long coding contexts just as a seasoned developer would? Welcome to our channel, where today we unravel the science behind Claude's remarkable capabilities. This is not just about technology, it's about revolutionizing how we code. Whether you're a developer looking to integrate AI into your projects or someone curious about the future of artificial intelligence, this video is your gateway to understanding how Claude can enhance your productivity and creativity.
Claude's architecture is a masterpiece of modern AI design. At its core, it employs a robust and scalable framework that leverages advanced neural networks. But what makes it truly unique is its ability to handle long sequences of data seamlessly. This is achieved through the incorporation of state-of-the-art transformer models, which have revolutionized the field of natural language processing. These models allow Claude to maintain context over long passages of code, making it invaluable for developers working on complex projects. By optimizing its architecture specifically for coding and language tasks, Claude ensures high performance and accuracy, setting a new standard in AI-driven development. Understanding context is one of the most challenging aspects of artificial intelligence. Claude, however, excels in this area by mimicking human cognitive processes. It uses a technique called sequence-to-sequence learning, which helps the model predict the next sequence in a series by considering the entire context. Central to this process are attention mechanisms, which allow Claude to focus on the most relevant parts of the input data, much like how we prioritize information in our minds. Contextual embeddings play a crucial role here, enabling Claude to comprehend and integrate context over long inputs, thus making it a formidable tool in handling complex coding tasks.
In large-scale coding projects, maintaining context is not just beneficial, it's essential. Claude's ability to handle long contexts ensures that the code remains consistent and coherent throughout the development process. This reduces the likelihood of errors and significantly enhances debugging capabilities. Moreover, when you have a team of developers working on different parts of a project, having a tool like Claude that can keep track of the context makes a world of difference. It facilitates smoother collaboration, ensures everyone is on the same page, and ultimately improves the efficiency of project management, making it a vital addition to any developer's toolkit.
When it comes to contextual understanding, Claude stands out among its peers. Compared to other models like GPT-3 and BERT, Claude offers superior management of long context, which is crucial for coding and complex problem solving. While GPT-3 is known for its versatility and BERT for its efficiency in understanding short context, Claude's niche lies in its ability to maintain coherence over extensive data inputs. This makes it particularly advantageous in real-world applications where context preservation is key. Developers and businesses must assess their specific needs to choose the most suitable AI model, but for those prioritizing context, Claude is often the preferred choice.
Let's delve into some real-world applications where Claude has made a significant impact. One notable example is in the realm of automated testing, where Claude's ability to understand and manage long contexts has streamlined the testing process, saving time and reducing errors. Another case study involves a large software development company that integrated Claude to enhance team collaboration. By keeping the context across various code segments, Claude improved overall productivity and efficiency. These success stories not only highlight Claude's capabilities but also offer valuable lessons and best practices for integrating AI into your own workflows.
For those interested in the technical underpinnings, Claude's algorithms represent the cutting edge of AI development. At the heart of its capabilities is the use of transformers, which have revolutionized how machines process language. These algorithms enable Claude to efficiently handle long sequences of data by utilizing attention mechanisms that prioritize the most relevant information. Claude's scalability ensures it can manage complex coding structures without a hitch. Moreover, its continuous learning capabilities mean that Claude adapts and improves over time, making it a resilient and ever-evolving tool for developers tackling intricate coding challenges.
Despite its impressive capabilities, Claude is not without limitations. One of the primary challenges is managing the significant memory and processing demands of maintaining long contexts. This can lead to a trade-off between accuracy and computational efficiency. However, ongoing research and development are focused on optimizing performance to address these issues. Techniques such as memory-efficient architectures and smarter data processing algorithms are being explored to enhance Claude's capabilities further. As AI technology advances, we can expect future updates to mitigate these limitations, making Claude an even more powerful tool in the arsenal of developers worldwide.
The landscape of software development is undergoing a transformation driven by AI advancements like Claude. We're witnessing the rise of AI-powered coding assistants that are becoming indispensable in modern development workflows. These tools are not only enhancing productivity but are also redefining the software development lifecycle by automating mundane tasks and allowing developers to focus on more creative aspects. The integration of AI in coding is poised to continue growing, with future innovations promising even more sophisticated capabilities. As these trends evolve, developers must stay informed and ready to adapt to the changing dynamics of AI-driven coding.
As we conclude, it's clear that Claude is more than just a tool, it's a harbinger of a new era in coding. By empowering developers with advanced capabilities, Claude encourages innovation, efficiency, and a deeper exploration of what AI can achieve. The continual evolution of AI technology means that the possibilities are endless, and staying engaged with these advancements is crucial. We invite you to comment below with your thoughts, share this video with fellow developers, and subscribe for more insights into the future of AI and coding. Let's continue this journey together, exploring the boundless potential of AI-driven development.